Want to bring that club-style DJ vibe to your Apple Music on iOS 26? Automix is your ticket, and setting it up takes less than a minute. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Now here tap Music. Next, scroll down and tap Song Transitions. Go ahead and flip that switch on. You'll see two options, Crossfade and Automix, so select Automix and you're ready to go. Now jump into the Music app, pick a playlist, album, or your favorite radio station, and start playing any track. Tap the little Q icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the bottom of the Now Playing screen, and you'll spot the Automix button. When it's highlighted, Automix is blending your song seamlessly, matching beats and keys so you get smooth, professional-sounding transitions without any dead air. That's it. Instant DJ-style mixes for your morning commute, workout playlists, or house party. No extra apps or subscriptions needed. If this helped you, tap like, leave a comment with your favorite playlist to Automix, and subscribe for more quick Apple Music tips.